Okay, boys and girls, this is Tuesday's homework. So today what we're going to do for Tuesday is we are going to reread and circle 10 adjectives. Remember, 10 adjectives. Adjectives are descriptive words, words that are describing. Okay, so the title of our story today is called Fire and Ice. In the far North Atlantic, just barely below the Arctic Circle, is a small island country called Iceland. If you were passing by it in a cruise ship one summer day, you might wonder why it is called Iceland, since its coast is so grassy and inviting. In truth, only the coast of Iceland is green, and only in summer. Almost all of the people who live in Iceland have their homes along the coast. A large plateau takes up most of Iceland. A plateau is land that is high and flat, like a tabletop. Iceland's high tabletop land covers the middle of the island. Covering part of Iceland's plateau is a thick black crust. It was created thousands of years ago as the island's 200 volcanoes erupted. When volcanoes erupt, they spit out hot lava. When hot lava cools, it hardens. Huge sheets of ice called glaciers cover another large part of Iceland's plateau. Some of these glaciers have lakes of melted ice in them. Iceland also has more hot springs than any other place in the world, and the country has many hot water geysers too. Geysers are springs of hot water that erupt into the air. Contrary to what many people believe, the weather never gets very cold in Iceland, even in January. This is partly because ocean currents bring warmer water up from the south. This helps to keep the air temperature from getting very cold. This small island is special in many ways. In the middle are volcanoes, hot springs, and frozen glaciers. In other parts, however, you can find grassy areas. The first people to explore this island must have been surprised. Who would expect to find both volcanoes and glaciers on one small island? Okay, so circle 10 adjectives. Then we're going to go here, and you are going to be multiplying 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with regrouping. So I told my class, don't even worry about estimating, okay? I don't think that is the focus right now. The focus for you is going to be to just be able to multiply these problems, okay? And you could either use it in standard method or you could do it in the box method, okay? But make sure all of these are done. And then also doing 13 and 14 as well. Okay, so that is it for Tuesday's homework.